Think hackers are your worst enemy? Think again. The real threat might be right at your desk. Here's the truth. Most ransomware attacks don't start with some genius hacker breaking in. They start with an employee clicking the wrong link or downloading something sketchy. And hey, we're not blaming your team. Cybercriminals are crafty, and those phishing emails look realer than ever. But that's exactly why ongoing employee training is your best defense. We're talking real hands-on training like simulated phishing attacks and interactive sessions. So your staff knows how to spot threats and avoid costly mistakes. A few tips in a meeting aren't enough. Your crew needs to practice just like you would for a fire drill. Want to make your business safer without breaking the bank? Hit reply and let's chat about affordable training options to keep your team sharp. And hey, it's Tech Tip Tuesday. Last week's trivia answer? 81%. Congrats to Craig Davidson from Minuteman Press. Now, for this week's challenge, if a pop-up says your PC's infected and asks you to click a link, what should you do? Reply with your answer and you could win a $25 prize. Stay smart, stay safe, and see you next Tuesday.